What if you could just talk to your PDF, ask it questions, pull out data, get a summary, all without reading a single page? That's exactly what we're doing today with Claude. All right, first thing, head over to Claude AI and make sure you're logged in. You'll land right on the chat screen. This is where the magic happens. Click New Chat on the left sidebar, or if you're already on a fresh chat, you're good to go. Now, see that little plus sign icon at the bottom of the chat? Click that. Then click on Add Files or Photos. A file picker will pop up. Go ahead and select your PDF. I'm using this Q2 marketing report, and just like that, it's uploaded. You'll see the file name appear right above your text box. Now here's the fun part. Just type your question like you're texting a coworker. Summarize this report in 3 bullet points. Click Send. Claude reads through the whole document and gives you a clean, fast summary. No scrolling, no skimming, done. But it doesn't stop at summaries. You can ask anything specific. For instance, let's say you want to know about the numbers. Type this in the chat. What was the website traffic growth from Q1 to Q2 and what drove it? Click Send. See that? It goes straight to the data and explains the why behind it, pulled right from the document. One more, and this one is my favorite. Ask Claude to give you something you can actually use. Type this in the chat. Based on the Q3 recommendations in this report, what should I prioritize first and why? Click Send. Claude isn't just reading the PDF, it's thinking through it for you, and that's it. Upload your PDF and ask your questions. Whether it's contracts, research papers, or reports, Claude handles it. Try it out and let me know what you use it for.